Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole, back in another video for you, baby. And today we're going to be doing a pink tie-dye chunky glitter makeup look. First, I'm going to be going in with my Athena painting palette, and I'm going to be using that white shade to clean up underneath my eyebrows. I already did my eyebrows and I put concealer under them, but I'm also going underneath them with this white oil paint. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with my Beauty Glaze Color Fusion eyeshadow palette, and I'm using these pink shades, and I'm going to be blending that in on top of that white paint.
Ho, ho, ho.
Now I'm going to be going in with my Spotlight eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going in with that brown shade, and I'm going to be blending that in right beside the pink shade and blending in between both of those shades, creating like an ombre effect, basically, so you can see it like transition almost, but not too much. Be going back in with that same painting palette, and I'm going to be using it to make a winged eyeliner, and I am just going to be doing it on the side of my eyes. And like I always do, I just burn it down and clean it up on the sides to my liking. You can use tape. I didn't feel like using no tape today, so I just did it by hand. But yeah, I'm just literally just stroking it down. I'm going to be taking some tissue and I'm going to be cleaning up around it. And like always, I also put concealer underneath there to create a clean look also. So there's just a little hack. Going in with the same pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to be filling that in on top of that pink paint. I'm going to be mixing all of these glitters together. I have gold, pink, turquoise, and blue glitter, and I'm just mixing that together. I'm trying to create like a tie-dye look almost to match my shirt. I got the inspiration from my shirt, y'all. And I'm just taking some clear eyelash glue, and I'm just applying it to my lid. And I want to be applying the glitter, putting the glitter on top of that. I cannot talk today, y'all. I am sorry. went ahead and applied my eyelashes off camera, and I'm going in with my Black Radiance foundation, and I'm going to be blending it in all over my face with a blending brush. Going in with my Erykah Badu concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be using that to highlight underneath my eyes, my nose, and my chin. And I'm just going to be blending that in with a damp beauty blender.
Ho, ho, ho.
True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking that contour shade, and I'm going to be blending that in right underneath where I highlighted, so you can get like a sharp contour look. So that's what I'm doing. We're going in my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes and baking that for 5 minutes. Just dusting off the excess powder, and I'm going to be blending that in at the same time. To be taking my setting spray, and I'm going to be using some highlighter to highlight my nose and my cheekbones. And I am going to be taking my my lip oil lip gloss and my Kiss lip liner, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really been enjoying these chunky glitter makeup looks. Yeah, let me know what you thought about it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!